सभी लोगों का हमारे YouTube चैनल में दिल खोल के स्वागत है। माय गुडनेस, सॉरी गाइस, द कॉल इज आ चुका था एट emergency level. So guys, in this video I'm going to be talking about best earning websites for students to make money online. Best websites. But before gonna continue to this video, let me discuss you that please do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Tech Repair eVantage. Okay, and here you will see all the tech related information about your daily life and so many things. But I just want to say to you that please support my YouTube channel and share it with your friends so that you never miss any of the big updates related to the tech information. So guys, online earning is a process for making money through internet. Yes, internet make it possible to make money online. There is a variety of ways to make money online, such as through online service freelancing. Yes, the first important point is that freelancing, now the selling product, affiliate marketing, and doing content creator like I'm doing work upon the video or services creating or monetizing content just like YouTube and the Facebook page and any other platform that able to provide you the monetizing the monetizing content. I'm not good in the English. So investing in good business, online business, that the crypto form and other things. There are different types of online earning opportunities. Some are passive, require minimal effort, such as earning interest. Okay, such as earnings interest. Okay, and here we can see that an online savings account is or earnings divides an online investment, while others are active and require more involvement, such as creating and selling products or services, and running an online business or providing online consulting services. Online earnings can be a great way for the people to make money from the comfort. Yeah, you can earn money from by laying on the bed, just like me. I'm sorry, but yeah, the hidden truth is this. So make money from the comfort of your own home or even while traveling. Yeah, with the right skills and mindset, anyone can earn money online easily. Easily, guys, it's so easy. So the point you need to be remember is that important points is that to be aware potential scams. Yeah, so many scams are available in the market that people are trying to earn money by doing some illegal works, and they want just like scams in an indirect way thoroughly research any apps website or opportunities before giving out personal information or investing any money. Yes, investing any money. Yeah. So guys, signing now in Hamza Salim expand search online website for student without investments, online earning website for students without investment, and so other important things that you need in this video. I will discuss you point wise point. So follow online earning. Online earning is a process for making money through internet. There are a variety of ways to make money online, such as, oh, I think it is retyped. Okay. So there are different type of online opportunities. Some are passive, require minimal effort. Goodness, it is, I think, rewrite it. But let me write it. Let me read it again to make my video about 6 minute online earning website or for a student without investment. As a student finding way to earn and money can be a challenge. However, with the rise of the internet, there are many opportunities money online without an investment. Okay, article with we will explore some of the best ways earning websites for students without any investments. Without any investment, and here are the basic sites. As you can see, servering with a website that pass pays user for completing surveys. Yeah, so many surveys. Sites are paying to tasking for or surveys and any other things. So guys, this is the video. I hope you find this a very valuable content. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. That is ePair, Tech Repair, eVantage. Thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Take care. Bye bye.